スタジオより金曜キッズリトルクラスです。お願いします。
I could be at the cellar crack, but I choose a rhyme. A lot of times, don't get me wrong, I had the temptation, but I never like the thought of incarceration. The fast money comes with fucking girls ride your dick, but when you get locked down, they don't send you shit. Come on, God, you know what happens on the regular. No pictures of letters, cause they fucking the next nigga. You get upset and send on what you gonna break a neck, but it will be your baby that she's giving sex. That's why you never catch me fucking with them dollar hoes. For once they come a dime a dozen when you clock and go, you know.
For all my niggas on the street,
I let the shot drop.
for all making fat beats,
I know a shot
for all my niggas doing time,
I let the shot
me,
drop.
'cause I always go
I
for
want
mine.
some new shit. I gotta make dough real fast. The blue talk, give me say, pour some cash, got class. I don't know how long, but yo, it's gonna be a while. I'm the only child, and I got different style. Cause my grandma taught me to be wise. Look out and realize that life flies by like a moth. And my ego can never be soft. Once I got a more talent that can really come on. And I can let man love me in fat ass luxury. And a big laugh like the Gardis used to have. But that ain't all I wanna achieve. I want my kids to be great when this world leave. And that means from this generation to how long ago, like H2O. I wanna fulfill the dreams that my granddad once had. Dabbing in the prize with money coming in brown bags.
For all my niggas on the street,
I lick a shot,
for
shot.
all making fat beats,
I lick a shot,
for
shot.
all my niggas doing time,
I lick a shot,
me, 'cause I always go for mine.
yo.
For all my niggas on the street,
I lick a shot,
for
shot.
all making fat beats,
I lick a shot.
for all my niggas doing time,
I lick a shot,
me,
shot.
'cause I always go for mine.